Good morning, everyone. I'm Uma Gauri, working as an English and life skills trainer at AP Balagi Gurukulam, Chinnachauk, Kadapa. Today's class is Functional English for Class 6 students. Good morning, students. How are you today?
In this class, we are going to learn an important topic from Functional English.
Before starting the class, can any one of you come and help me in moving the table aside? Thank you for your help. Now, listen here, children. As the table is too heavy for me to move, I ask someone of you to come and help me. In the same way, when you could not do something all alone, you required someone to help you. So, you should ask someone's help to do the work. Hope you might have understood what we are going to learn in today's class. Yes, the topic for today's class is asking for help. Asking for help occurs when we need some help from others. In our lives, we often ask or offer help to others. This is only because we are social beings and we must help each other. Before going to learn the phrases on asking for help, let me tell you some steps which we need to follow while asking help from others. We should look at the person whom we are asking for help. This shows that we respect the person whom we are asking for help. The second step is to ask the person if they have time to help you. This shows that you are willing to wait for their help if necessary. The next step is the clear explanation of the help you need. When you explain clearly the kind of help that you need, then the person will be more likely to be able to help you. Say thank you after you get the help from the person. This can make the person to help you in the future when you are in need. So, if you follow these steps while asking for help, then the person whom you wish to help you in need can readily agree to help you. We all need help sometimes. In English, it is not polite to ask for help directly. So, there are many phrases that we can say before a request to soften it. Here are a few modal verbs which help us to frame the phrases asking for help. Can you help me? The modal verb which we used to frame this phrase is can. The meaning of this phrase is are you able to help me? Could you help me? This means is it possible to you to help? This is a phrase which we made using a modal verb could. The next modal verb which we have used to frame this phrase is would. This phrase means are you willing to help? Now let us see some pictures related to phrases on asking for help using can, could and would. Can I ask you to open the gate? Can you spare a few minutes? Could you please open the door for me? Could I ask you a favor? Would you mind throwing the paper in the dustbin? Would you please draft a letter for me?
Now, let us see some more phrases on asking for help.
Can you give me a hand with this? It is a quite direct question to use with friends and the people whom you know quite well. It is a less polite way of asking for help. The next phrase is could you help me for a second? It is a more polite way of asking for help. Here, for a second shows that we don't require much of their time to help us. Can I ask a favor?
Here, favor means an act of kindness or a help. This is a general way of introducing a request for help. Another way of asking for help is I wonder if you could help me with this. This phrase can be used with the people you don't know very well. It is a polite way of asking for help.
The next phrase is I could do with some help, please. It is a quite direct way of asking for help and it focuses that you are really in need of a help. The another phrase is I can't manage. Can you help? You use this phrase when you have a too much of work to do. The another two phrases which give the same meaning are give me a hand with this, will you? Or lend me a hand with this, will you? Lend me a hand is more polite and old fashioned than give me a hand. The next phrase is could you spare a moment? This phrase is used to show that we respect that the other person is really quite busy and to say that they will only need to help you for a short time. The another phrase is I need some help please. This is a direct phrase for asking for help and the asker does not expect the listener to say no. This is often used by the people in the authority. So students, use these phrases whenever you require help from others. We should know that a timely help can save even lives and also can help us to come out from the difficult situations. So children, never hesitate to ask or offer a help. Asking for help is not a weakness, it is a strength. Students, you can do anything but not everything. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Helping hands are better than praying hands. So, be strong enough to stand alone, smart enough to know when you need help, and brave enough to ask for help. Asking for help is a light of hope when we are in difficult situation. So, don't be shy about asking for help. It doesn't mean you are weak. It only means you are wise. Hope you have understood the topic. Before ending the video, here is an assignment for you. Try to answer the questions of the assignment. Thank you for watching the video.